Chapter 1 Social Science, Semester 1 Two Big States. Children, today in our India, we have so many big states like West Bengal, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat. But that time, two big states means Kanauj. First, we discussed about Kanauj. Harshvardhan born in 7th century 606 to 647 Common Era. King Harshvardhan was born in 606 Common Era after the death of his father Prabhakarvardhan. Harshvardhan's elder brother Rajyavardhan ascended the throne of Thaneshwar. However, Rajyavardhan was killed by the king of God Sasan. Their sister Rajyasri was imprisoned by the king of Malwa Devgupta. Under these circumstances, as advised by the elders of the kingdom, Harshvardhan shouldered the responsibility of Thaneshwar, present day in Punjab, Haryana. Means Harshvardhan father Prabhakarvardhan, after his father's death, Prabhakarvardhan, Harshvardhan elder brother Rajyavardhan ascended throne to the Thaneshwar. And after the death of his elder brother killed by Sasank. And that time, Harshvardhan sister Rajyasri was imprisoned by the king of Malwa, Devgupta. Devgupta imprisoned Rajyasri under these circumstances, and that immediately after ascended the throne, he decided to free his imprisoned sister Rajyasri. In the meanwhile, she had escaped from the clutches of Devgupta and ran away into the Vindhya forest. He went in search of his sister, and with the help of the people living in the forest and Buddhist hermit Divakar Mitra, he stopped her from committing sati. Since Rajeshri's kingdom, Kanauj, Uttar Pradesh, was without any king at that time, Harshvardhan became its ruler. Later, he defeated Devgupta, the king of Malwa. So, Harshvardhan saved his sister Rajeshri in this way as part of his preparation or to launch an attack on Sachank, the god king. He formed an alliance with the king of Kamrup, Assam, Bhaskar Varman. With the help of a large army, he defeated the god king and won over a major part of his kingdom. He also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra, but was unsuccessful in defeating Pulakeshin II, king of Chalukya dynasty in South India. After 7 successive victorious years, Thaneshwar emerged as a large kingdom in North India, and after he defeated by Pulakeshin II in South India, the king of. Now we discussed about Harshvardhan's reign and administration. You this this all topics this topic is from Harshvardhan life. Which character is Harshvardhan conquer, how he saved his sister, and then how he defeated by Pulakeshin II. This is the Harshvardhan introduction. Now Harshvardhan's reign and administration. Harshvardhan personally supervised the administration of his state by traveling extensively to different parts of his empire. He divided his daily routine into three parts. The first was for administrative purposes, while the other two parts were devoted to public welfare and religious activities. Now you see, Harshvardhan has a good administrative capability, and also his public welfare means public so donation and public all issues of public and religious activities, all religious affairs. So Harshvardhan is very good emperor, He is very good to administering power, public welfare, and religious activities. He was so diligent in carrying out of his administrative responsibilities that at times he even forgot to have his meal. So he forgot his meal. So whenever he uh, do his duty and he not take meal or food, so all about his good emperor, good king. So here you see, to help him in the administrative session, Harshvardhan had Commander-in-Chief of the Army Pratihar Dwarpal, Sandhi Vigraha का Foreign Minister, राजदूत Ambassador, Parajya Mantri, Mahadandanaika means Chief Justice, and Aksar Patalika Registrar. Okay, Harshvardhan make this all administrative system in his kingdom. So next lecture we discussed about Imprints Left by Harshvardhan.